This is a very unique time for commercial real estate investors. Rising inflation is kicking the pants off the value of the US dollar, right? So as a commercial real estate investor, you have two choices. Number one, you can jump into this great commercial real estate market, or number two, you can stay on this side and remain poor, okay? POR is an acronym, P-O-O-R, for passing on opportunities repeatedly, right? So if you're sitting on cash, if you have a lot of money in savings, or if you have a lot of stocks just sitting around doing nothing, let me share this with you. Over the last 12 months, gas prices have gone up 42%. You've seen it, right? Car rental prices have gone up 43%. And ribeye steak, OMG, has gone up 22%. And double OMG, bacon has gone up 19%. Someone has got to get fired. Got it? All right. Now, when I say gas prices have gone up 42%, it does not mean gas is getting better, right? It doesn't mean it's getting better. It literally means your cash is just getting worse, right? So what is the tried and true defense against inflation? It is commercial real estate. And that is what we're going to talk about today. So let's get started. All right, I'm going to start off with 3 reasons why commercial real estate is a great defense. And then I'll get into three key offensive plays to do now. So defense and offense. Let's start with defense first. 3 reasons why commercial is a great defense against inflation. Number 1 is demand for apartments will increase. You want to know why? 2 reasons why. Number 1 is construction costs, and when there's great inflation or rising inflation, construction costs go higher. When construction costs go higher, guess what happens? They build less, right? They build less. When you build less, the supply stays the same, demand continues to increase. Guess what happens? The demand for apartments become greater. Second reason is interest rates. During an inflationary period, interest rates tend to creep up a little higher. You just wait, it's going to happen. When interest rates go higher, that means borrowers are either going to have to buy smaller homes or not get approved at all for that home that they saw, right? So if they're not buying a home, what are they doing? They're renting, okay? So the demand for apartments will increase. That's going to lead to number 2, the second reason is rents are going to go up on the apartments. They're going to increase because of the demand, and guess what? Property value is going to go up. You guys know that when you increase the rents, you increase the NOI, you force the appreciation on your property. So property values go up. So this is going to happen, this is going to happen, and guess what? If you do 1 and 2 right, this is where you're going to end up. You're going to end up with the third reason is you're going to have you're going to create a recurring income engine that outpaces inflation. Okay, so your apartment building here is going to have greater demand for it. Rents are going to go up, value is going to go up, and you're going to produce a cash flowing engine that outpaces inflation. Got it? All right. So that is your defense. Let's go on to offensive now. Okay. So 3 key offensive plays you can make. Number 1 is to acquire commercial real estate assets that has to do with housing. Okay. Number 1, apartments, of course, right? Number 2, mobile home parks. That is housing. Okay. Apartments up here, mobile home parks, it's still housing and it's not going anywhere. All right. So it's going to remain in demand, mobile home parks. And number 3, storage. Yes, storage is related to housing. When you in my home, when I buy too much stuff, it goes into storage, right? Now, if the economy continues to grow, guess what's going to happen? You're going to buy more stuff, you need storage. If the economy shrinks, you're going to downsize, guess what? Put your stuff in storage, right? So, acquire commercial real estate assets is the first offensive thing you need to do, okay? That's play number 1. Play number 2 is to lock in long-term loans, okay? Because lock in the long-term loans now, okay, with low interest rates, okay, low interest rates, because interest rates are going to increase during inflation. They always do, right? So how would you like to have a cash flowing asset that's increasing in demand, where the rents are going up, where the cash flowing going up, but your mortgage, your debt is staying constant. That's a beautiful thing. Okay. And number three, okay, the number three play you can make, offensive play to make, is don't watch the news. That's right, I said it. Don't watch the news, because what you feed your mind determines your appetite. You see, the news won't help you achieve financial freedom. That's not their goal. Our goal is to help you achieve financial freedom through commercial real estate investing. The media focuses on fear, right? So the fear that we see out there right now is the housing market is going to crash. Okay, the real estate market is going to crash. When they refer to the real estate market, it's going to scare you that it's going to crash, but they're talking about the housing market. It's going to crash in next year, right? It may or it may not. It doesn't matter. What matters is whatever happens, we are going to make adjustments, right? For example, let's say the housing market does crash. What happens? People stop buying homes. They go into apartments. You'll be fine. All right? So don't watch the news. In fact, play number three is probably the most important thing. And I want to share with you, there's I have a mindset video. It's going to pop up on the screen. It's going to teach you how to have the right mindset to be successful in commercial real estate investing and focus on the right things. Got it? All right. So again, the tried and true defense against inflation is commercial real estate. And it's mainly buying cash flow, in demand, commercial real estate assets, right? Like apartments, mobile home parks, and storage, and lock in those long-term, low interest rates and zone out everything else. Zone out all the negativity. Become the CEO of your own life. Take care of your business. All right? Okay, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more of this video, click the like button. And also, maybe subscribe to this channel. So thank you, everyone, for watching this video on tried and true defense against inflation. See you at the next video.